And now some bad news. Yay. So this was supposed to be kind of like a hugger orange. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up the right color that I'm trying to show you, but it's like a pastel, kind of like a Mopar orange. Not gonna work for what I'm doing. So since I'm on a hold till the proper paint color comes in, what I'm gonna do is start on the harness. Yay. So I'm not going to be the most technical guy in the world. Don't look for me to give you all the proper terms, etc., etc. I'm going to give you the basics. These plugs are your information plugs and your power plug inside your car. Well, this one's your information plug. I know this one powers like the fuel pump and some other stuff, all right? This one powers the car inside. These two come out to the car. This is your starter wire. That's your ignition wire. This bolts to the firewall and runs to your fuse box, your engine transmission harness, bam, PCM, okay? We're not going to use none of this, truthfully. Well, I'll take that back. I'm going to keep the windshield wiper plug. So everything else is going to get cut. Injectors, transmission plug, O2 sensors, NOx sensors, none of that we're going to use because we have our LS harness, which now is going to have its own fuse box, my wires for my fans and such, harness to control the engine and transmission. So I prefer making my own because that way you can route your wires and put everything where you want it. I personally like to put the computer and the fuse box like inside the dash or inside the center console. So I'm gonna grab my handy dandy tools and get some fun started. And like I said, I'm gonna show you what you're gonna end up with once you sort through the factory harness, so we can merge it with the LS harness, so we can put the LS motor in the LT1 car. So with everything separated, like I said, windshield wiper plugs, leave you some ground wire. Everything over this way we no longer need. No, I can't do this the whole time with one hand on video. So we're gonna cut this. Like, you literally not gonna use none of this stuff out of the harness. And then I'm gonna check back in with you in a minute and show you where we're at. So now what we have left are the plugs inside the car, this piece at the firewall, the fuse box, windshield wipers, the plug for the under the hood light, and your windshield wiper fluid. That's that one. And a ground. Like I said, everything else gets cut out. All these wires here, you can trace them out, and they either cut here or cut at the fuse box to clean everything up. And we're gonna check back in a couple days and show you where we at with it.